What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Investing with Frank. As you can see, we back with Project 2025 whiteboard update, aka whiteboard method, man. If for the ones who don't know, or for one who do know, this is the whiteboard method, man. This is where all your dreams come true. So put in the work, get you a whiteboard, put your dreams on the board, accomplish them. So as y'all can see, man, everything's changed. A lot has changed. As you know, this is the update for February 2025, as you can see. So first we're going to start off investment bills, income, and then we're going to get into like the actual, you know what I'm saying, bread and butter. So first we're going to go by investments, you know what I'm saying. I still contribute $600 to my fidelity. I always mess up on these words for some reason. I'm saying them like every day. So yeah, $600 to that. That's my Roth IRA. Robinhood, as you can see, it's no longer $250. It's $350 now. Wealthfront still $750, and my savings is not $400 anymore. It's $300 because I tweaked stuff a little bit. I moved $100 of that into my Robinhood, which is that. So my bills, as you can see, rent was $635, I believe. It increased this year for at least for some reason. I guess, you know, since today's world, every year is just gonna keep increasing. That's why future houses in the works. Still a lot of play into that because that's a lot of money being moved, you know. So rent is now $680. Car notes still the same, $217. Car insurance went up $8 a month. I don't know why. It's not because of the accident, because it would have been one up higher than that. So I don't know. Well, the accident wasn't even my fault. So yeah, car insurance $229. Wi-Fi is still $41 for now. You know. Actually, I think that went up. So I think now I'm going to be paying $50 because that went up as well. Everything's going up. Sorry y'all for the light. It's like a big old... The sunroof is like coming down and we can't put a curtain up because the roof comes to a point. So sorry if y'all can't really see me like that or see the board. I apologize. So electric's still the same. We're contributing $100 because the plan we're on or whatever, that's what we pay. Groceries a month, still $200 a month. As always, Wi-Fi allowance still $200. Storage bill is really $47.80, but I just put $50 to round it off. As you can see, my income has changed. So my income now ranges greatly, not by a little bit, greatly, to $4,000 a month to $6,000 a month. It just really depends because my business, you know what I'm saying. So on to the bread and butter, what y'all really waiting on. My investments. So, as you see, we can start with Fidelity. As you know, first by saying any of this, the goal for the year of 2025 is $32,400. That's the total goal, investment goal, or amount of money that I plan on achieving to hit. That's the magic number for this year. And I've been putting in a lot of background, you know what I'm saying, work and stuff to be able to make this stuff happen, and happen at a faster rate than I anticipated. I really thought I was going to be going a little slower than this, but I'm like the snowball dividend method, just the compound interest and everything is just making it go by faster. So the more money I got in, the more it's just going to be bigger and bigger and bigger, and then soon enough it's going to be making more money than I can put in. So that's why I'm trying to get to that point. So first we're going to start with Fidelity. The goal for that is $9,500. I just contributed everything, as you can see, for all the investments, and plus the capital gains, interest, and dividend stuff and that. So the amount I have in there currently, as today's, you know what I'm saying, the markets are closed. It's the weekend. I'm shooting on a Saturday. The amount is $3,873.66. I have $5,626.34 left. So yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. We're gonna keep tagging it. Robinhood, the goal for that is $7,500. Currently have $5,537.78 sitting in there. I have $1,962.22 left into that. That is growing extremely fast. I'm already up about 5% on year to date. So if you're getting at least 8 7 or 8%, you're beating market return. So that's guaranteed, and you're beating inflation. So that's amazing. So I'm already sitting at 5% just for 2 months. Amazing. So next we go to Wealthfront. The goal will be $10,000. Next year it might change. It might be like 5,000, and that way I can do the stuff I want to do for like personal reasons before I get into a house and a mortgage and all that stuff. And I might not be able to do that for myself. So I want to get everything done. Like I want to get tattoos, and I just want to get like a lot of stuff. No really big purchases, small stuff. You know what I'm saying? So stuff like that. So I have $1,538.64 in my Wealthfront account as of right now. I have $8,461.31 left. I'm at 36 cents left. My bad. Savings account, $1,000. That's a $1,000 buffer I have in my my bank account, just in case stuff get etchy. I don't have to pull out my Wealthfront account because that's what that's technically for too. But this is my safety net first, so I'll pull from there. And then if I need something more, I'll pull from there. You get it? So I have $500 in there. I have $500 left. I'm trying to tackle that as soon as possible because once I hit that, right, this $300 right here can fund each thing. So what I think I'm going to do is once I accomplish that, right, I think I'm going to put all my fund money. Well, it might be 200 because I put 100 in my checking just in case, or whatever the case may be. I think I'm going to put my 300 into Robinhood since technically that is the lowest one, and that'll be pretty much 650. 650 a month, and I'll be able to probably knock that out in 3 months. And then after that, that'll be what, that'll be 650, and I'll just put it towards Fidelity or Wealthfront, whichever ones, you know what I'm saying, break it in half or something to double it and speed it up. So yeah, I have a whole plan ahead for this. This is crazy, y'all. Like everything is working fast in my head. Like every time I look at it, it's like I don't personally feel the same, but like I'm getting more money inside my pockets. It's crazy. And if your money isn't working while you're sleeping, you're not living. So just remember that. 401k, the goal is $2,000 for the year. I'm currently sitting at $1,047.91. I currently have $952.09 left. That's a hit or miss depending on, like I said, how much I work. Obviously, if I work more, the more it's coming out, the more it's coming out, and then the more it's feeding into that. I believe I'm up. I'm not sure how much percent. I think it was over 4% last time I checked. I'm up on the year to date. So that's good. My business, I don't know why I scratched it up. I guess because like I leave it in my closet and stuff. So my business, the goal for my business is $2,400. I currently made. I'm not saying I have any more because I have stuff to pay. But like this is, you know what I'm saying, the overall of the investments. Total amount made so far for the month of January and February, I'm just adding up every year for the business part, is $1,318.59. My goal left for this is $1,081.41. And yeah, that's pretty much the whiteboard for the month of February, man. I am really proud of myself, and I'm trying to find different ways to, you know what I'm saying, so generate more money, circulate more money into the funds. That way, the faster I can get through this, the faster I can spend some like time and money on myself and invest on other stuff like my health and stuff, because health is wealth, and without that I wouldn't be here to show you guys my journey and as well as yours. So if you find this video, you know what I'm saying, informative, entertaining, or whatnot, man, give it a like, give it a share. It really brings a lot. Give somebody the opportunity to see this as well, motivate them as well, and then they can use this as well to, you know what I'm saying, fulfill their next milestone, stepping stone. So yeah, man, give it a like, comment, share, and if you're not subscribed, man, subscribe. It don't hurt nobody, you know what I'm saying, it's for free. So stay tuned to the next video. It'll probably be most likely on my net worth update, and I'm excited to see that because last month, for between December and January, I think it increased like 2,000, which is crazy. So I'm willing to see that. So that's coming very soon. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Thank y'all for watching me, and until next time.